Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and importing your frames, so Resolve treats them consistently. Start by setting the project frame rate to your final output, for example, 24 frames per second, because once clips hit the timeline, the timing locks in. Then import your numbered images as an image sequence or batch of clips into the media pool. Make sure you enable the image sequence option when prompted. Once done, confirm all frames share the same color and exposure to avoid flicker later. You now assemble and fine-tune timing by working directly on the timeline. Drag the imported image sequence into a timeline that matches your chosen frame rate. This ensures one image equals one frame if needed. To adjust exposure per frame or create longer holds, use change clip speed or split frames and extend individual stills. Alternatively, apply retime curves for smoother timing adjustments. Make sure to disable optical flow. Use frame-by-frame holds, so Resolve doesn't interpolate motion between frames and ruin you finish by stabilizing color, rendering, and handling problems if they appear. First, apply consistent color grading using a single node or global LUT. Use the color match and waveform scopes to eliminate flicker. Then deliver using a lossless or high bitrate codec at the project frame rate and resolution to preserve frame clarity. If you see flicker or jitter, make sure exposures were constant. Try temporal noise reduction sparingly, or rebuild the sequence with fixed camera settings. Those fixes usually resolve most stop-motion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.